Dear students, in our last class we have already started chapter 7 geometry and we have learned some geometrical figures. This is a rectangle with 4 sides, 4 corners and 2 diagonals. The sides are AB, BC, CD and AD. The corners are A, B, C and D. The diagonals are AC and BD. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. AD is equal to BC, AB is equal to CD. It is a square. Like rectangle, square has 4 sides, 4 corners and 2 diagonals. Now what is the difference between square and rectangle? In rectangle, opposite sides are equal, but in square, all sides are equal. This is a triangle with 3 sides, 3 corners. The sides are XY, YZ and XZ. The corners are X, Y and Z. This is a circle with one curved surface and no corners. This is a curved surface. And this is an oval. Like circle, it has one curved surface and no corners. So oval and circle has one curved surface and no corners. Now we will start question number 3 of page number 113. Which of the following has the maximum number of sides? Circle, square, triangle. Here I have drawn the pictures. This is circle, square and triangle. Now circle has one curved surface, one curved side. This has 4 sides. Square has 4 sides and triangle 3 sides. So 4 is the maximum. That means square has maximum number of sides. Which of the following doesn't have straight sides? This is circle, square, triangle and rectangle. Circle doesn't have straight sides. Question number 5. Which of the following has no corners? This is an oval, square, triangle and rectangle. Now square has 4 corners, triangle has 3 corners and rectangle has 4 corners. Only oval has no corners. Question number 6. What shape does this have? The face of the sun, that is sphere. This is the face of a sun. Don't write it as a circle. It is always a sphere. The blackboard in your class, rectangle. This is a rectangle. Top of the teacher's table in your class, rectangle. A page of this book, rectangle, because this book here opposite sides are equal. That means it is an rectangle. The top of your pencil box, rectangle. The wheel of your bicycle, circle. And the surface of a sandwich. This is a surface of a sandwich. This is a triangle. So face of the sun, sphere. Blackboard, rectangle. Teacher's table, rectangle. Page of this book, rectangle. Top of your pencil box, rectangle. Wheel of your bicycle, circle. And surface of a sandwich. This is a surface of a sandwich. This is a triangle. Now we will learn straight line and curved line. When we are joining 2 points with a scale, then we are getting a straight line. When we are joining 2 points using a scale, we are getting a straight line. And this line is called curved line. This is a curved line. This is also a curved line. Now we will start exercise 7.1. Here points are given. First, we are drawing a straight line. Join the given points using a scale. Then you will get a straight line. So this is a straight line. Join these points. These two are given points. Join the points using the scale. This is also a straight line. These two are given points. Join these points using the scale. Here also join the given points using the scale. You will get straight lines. Now, in each case, say whether the line is slipping, standing or slanting. This is called slanting position. This is slipping. This is standing. And this one is slanting. So first we have drawn the straight line. We are joining the given points using a scale. Then mention the type. This is slanting, slipping, standing, and this one also slanting. Now we will draw curved line. Without using a scale, I am joining these 2 points. This is a curved line. This is a curved line. Curved line. And this is a curved line. So we have learned straight line and curved line. Straight line means we will join the given points using a scale. Thank you, children.